Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about Tally and we will see what is the sales tax. So let's see first some definition for tax and various types of tax. First is the input tax. Input tax is a tax paid on VAT purchase, which is purchase in local area. Output tax. Output tax is a tax changer on VAT sales, which is the retail invoice. TIN number. TIN number is a tax identification number issued by sales tax department to registered dealer. Means each registered dealer have a unique TIN number. Tax invoice. It is a sales invoice format prescribed by sales tax department, should be issued by the registered dealer to a registered dealer only. It should be kept for claiming input tax credit. So it is a dealer to dealer registration and it is issued by sales tax department. Tax invoice is issued when one dealer transport or purchase from other dealer. Retail invoice. It is a sales invoice format prescribed by sales tax department used for exempted sales and sales to a unregistered dealer only. Can't be used for claiming input tax credit. Means when there are unregistered dealer are there, then we can provide it retail invoices, and it is also in prescribed format by sales tax department. Because of the dealers are not registered with sales tax department, they can't claim for input tax credit. Purchase tax. Tax paid on purchase from unregistered dealer liable to pay purchase tax. Means when any dealer purchase from any other dealer, then purchase tax will be employed on that purchase. So these are the various types of tax and these are the various definition related to tax which is required for understanding the tax. So this is the various definition of tax. Thank you.